love of nature genetic? Do you enjoy spending time in nature? If you do, you can thank your parents. According to a survey of adult twins in the United Kingdom, genetics was found to partly determine one's love of the outdoors. Answers to questions about how often they spend time in nature and how they feel when outdoors revealed a strong similarity among identical twins who have an almost identical genetic makeup. Among fraternal twins, the similarity was less strong. The scientists estimate that genetics account for around 40 to 50% of one's love of nature, while one's environmental accounts for the over 50 to 60%.